tussle between Karnataka government and the government started now.
See, there
You
is
have
no, there is
you
no
have head
tussle.
speech bill, you have university appointment bills and many bills pending with the government. Do you think those can be cleared after all this kind of a tussle?
The governor should not act in his personal capacity. He should forget from which political party he has come. He is occupying the highest constitutional post in the state. He must respect it, adhere to its principles, and give credence to what the mandate of the
So
constitution is.
you're
That is
saying
all
it's a
we are saying.
vulnerable place?
Tamil Nadu
It's a
Chief
vulnerable
Minister has
seat.
said that he's going to call a meeting of like-minded parties to
All-
remove this customary
all
address
of
of
they are also
governors.
going to pass
So is
resolution.
Karnataka going to be a part of it?
Our Honorable Chief Minister also has said that we must collectively fight this against this attack against federalism, and therefore we are part insofar as what the central government is imposing itself through the governors. We are going to oppose it for sure, but what is the exact stand, I cannot say it unless we discuss.